happening, ladies and gentlemen? White Boy Radio back with another one. And we got the stalker, the harasser, the online weirdo, Benjamin Keyz, getting released from jail. What does it mean? What's it about? Well, let me explain to you. Okay, so there's no confusion. I made a video. People do know that he's not allowed on social media. So just so you understand, this is a bond condition. So him bonding out of jail, he was in for just under 60 days, 51 days, I believe. So as bonding out, as a bond condition, the judge specified that he cannot be on social media whatsoever. Okay, no Facebook, no YouTube, no Twitters, no Instagram, nothing, nada, zero. Okay, nothing. Now he can come on as a troll, and troll creators under an alt name, nobody would know, but him himself, his voice, a StreamYard's link, somebody else's panel, it's just not happening. What happens if he does? Back to the slammer. He would violate his bond condition, him bonding out of jail. You can bond out of jail, okay? Bond out. Now, here's the deal. This is not fact. This is fact, what I just said, as far as his bond condition is. Now, follow me here. When you bond out of jail, you're bonded out until you settle whatever you settle in court, your court date, okay? When your court date comes in, you settle your charges. Now, because some of the stalking and harassing that he did, okay, via Facebook group to his ex, okay, because he used social media in his said stalking, and he's stalked and harassed a lot of people here on YouTube, and this guy's a massive stalker, okay, but because he utilized social media in the crime, the judge usually will follow the bond conditions, right? So right now, he can't be on social media as a condition of one of his bond, right, under his bond. So he also has some sort of probation, no drugs, no alcohol, stuff like that. So when he's going to take time served and some probation. He's not going to get time served and this is all done with. No, they're going to give him some probation because he's stalked to the fullest, and then he reoffended and stalked again. Okay, so usually in cases, the judge will follow the bond conditions into the probation. The same stipulations in the bond circumstances will follow into the probation, like no social media, the same, no drugs. If there's a curfew, there's a curfew, it'll carry on. So that's usually how it goes, right? As I'm making this video, okay, today, and who knows when you'll see it. It'll probably go to my members first and then go to the public. That's how I usually do it. I give my members massive perk. They get all videos first. But we haven't seen Benjamin out. We haven't seen Benjamin around. Okay, he's been out of jail now a couple days. He's been actually following his bond, okay? Because he really had to be stupid. He really had to be stupid. If he's tempted so bad to get on these YouTube streets, man, he's dumb because he will go back to the slammer. And I know by now, somebody has told him that we know about this, right? So people, if you see Benjamin, if you hear Benjamin, understand that's a no-no. And I don't really know if he's that dumb, but he's obsessive like that to a point, so it's possible. But you never know with these people. I'm just giving you the update of what's actually going on. So as a condition of his bond, he cannot be on the social medias, okay? He cannot at all until he goes to court. And then we'll have to see if the judge does, like that's facts, that part. It's my prediction. It's my knowledge of dealing with the system, especially, I've never been anything for any stalking or anything, but for something like this, it's pretty white and black case. It's pretty, They're going to just transfer it over. And that's my prediction. That part is not fact. That's my opinion. We'll have to see. But people, keep an eye out because in real time, you're getting to see a stalker, a real person who does this harassment stuff. You've heard the stories. You've seen the doxing. You've seen the people he's ran off social media. He's ran some certain creators totally away from their channel and made them quit, then come back under a spell, and working for him almost. You know what I mean? I've had the ex-wife on. She's talked about how he is personally. There's all types of stuff and examples we have brought you guys. And beyond that, if you've been following this, you've been seeing it with your own eyes. But what's he gonna do? Is he to come on here? Listen, I don't know. I happen to feel, in my opinion, 50-50. Here's why. 50% of me thinks that he is dumb enough, right? And he has to like, his ego's hurt and he has to jump on here and do something, which would be so utterly stupid, right? Then the other 50% of me wants to think that he had a tough time in jail. Look, Benjamin's he's older than me, okay? He's matter of fact, he's got like he's older than me by a few years. So he's like mid 40s, okay? So remember, he's always snitched. He's always snitched to get out of jail. So he went to jail for the first time in his mid 40s. Shout out to the people watching this who's never been to jail. You win. You win. But for the people who have been to jail, you don't want to experience it mid 40s. That'd be horrible. Horrible. You want to get that shit done in your 20s or whatever, right? He waited till almost 50. So what I'm saying is I know he had a tough time in there. I know it wasn't smooth sailing for him. I know it wasn't easy, right? So he may have gotten his wits together. I'm 50-50. It's Benjamin now. It's Benjamin. So we just don't know. But I'm just laying it out, the what to know, the what to expect, the facts, and the opinion of it. And that's just what it is, people. He's out on bond, so keep an eye out. Keep an eye out. Like I said, I'm sure he knows. The streets know about this. But again, it's Benjamin. Will he stay off the socials, or will he stalk and harass even more? Leave it in the comments. Much love, much respect. It's White Boy just bringing you the facts. Hit that like, share the video, and if you can, become a member. Until the next one, y'all, see you.